Hello friends, in today's video, I am going to show you how you can install API in Termux and how to use it. We will install it from browser and also with the commands. So first of all, let's open any of your browser. Now type here Termux API. And here is F-Droid website, let's open it. Now scroll down and download from here latest APK. I already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download this. After downloading this app, now let's install. App is installed now. Now let's go back and open Termux app. And here in the Termux, we need to put the command package install Termux API. Now let's hit enter. And your Termux API is successfully installed. After installing the Termux API, your Termux app will be connected to your phone. You can control your phone with this API by typing simply commands in your Termux. So in next video, I will tell you how to use Termux API and how you can send text messages and calls in your Termux. So see you in next video. Till then, goodbye.